exhaust fan. I'm going to try our new biocellulose lifting mask. It's this whole new Korean technology thing, and apparently it's amazing. So I'm doing a quick video, and I'll show an after as well. But I'm going to soak in the tub, so you're not going to see the 20 to 30 minutes when I'm listening to spa music and have my candle going. But just trust me, I'll be relaxing. So first of all, I'm going to see about flipping the camera, but I'm not sure if it'll let me. I'm still learning how to use this thing. Basically, this is it. 4 of these things come in a box. This is one treatment. It's disposable, but I hear it's amazing and it's worth it. So I'm going to put the phone down and try to do this at the same time. Apologize, it's not the most flattering angle. But this is me chilling in my bathroom. Woo-hoo. There's apparently a mesh layer on either side. Oh, and this thing's very moist. This is a hydrating mask, and there's goo in the package still. So I'm supposed to massage that in. I just like the sound of massage. Anyhow, as you can see, it looks kind of like a face. And I've been told you don't have to use the eye flaps. They are optional. Here we go. Looks like something out of Doctor Who. If you know what I'm talking about, you'll appreciate the reference. So I don't know if you can see this here, but there are layers. A mesh on the front, and then there's the gel, and then there's the other layer. So I'm peeling off the first mesh. Oh, don't need that. And I don't know yet if I'm going to use the eye flaps or not. So for now, I'm just going to tuck them through, and I'll figure that out. This is kind of freaky. It's supposed to really hug your face like a wet washcloth. And yeah, it's a little cold right now because I just pulled it out of the pack. Maybe I should have warmed it up with my hands first. I don't know. We'll figure that out. All I can think of is I have like these super bad bags under my eyes because this gooey stuff is very clingy and gross, but it's supposed to be really good for you, so I'm going to trust that they would never give me something that was disgusting or bad for me. And I must have a really little face because I got a lot of extra cloth going on here. Alright, now I'm going to take off the outer layer because it doesn't breathe if you don't take off the outer mesh layer. Couldn't put it on without the inner one, so let's see if I can do this without messing up the mask. This is harder than it looks. Okay. This is so messed up. Oh my, give me a minute. My face is melting. My face is melting. Alright, let's try this. Looking like it's a little better. And yeah, I'm going to just leave the flaps. I'm not going to try to get all weird with that. Alright, we have it on. What, took only a minute and a half? 2 minutes? So I've been told that you look like a melty candle. So in honor of candles, I have a candle. Hopefully it will not look as bad as my face does right now. Anywho, I will take a still shot and I'll time back in about 20 to 30 minutes so you guys can get a really good look at my face. Don't mind the artwork, that's Brian. I'm gonna get some good lighting in here. I guess that's about as flattering as we're gonna get. So I'll be back in about 20 to 30 minutes for those of you who want to tune in. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to peel this thing off, massage any goo left on my face and anywhere else that might need some lifting. My friend Lisa Shapiro is like, you going to use it on your chest? I'm like, I don't think I'm going to share it with anyone if I'm going to do that or not, although I thought about it. I'm thinking more the neck, you know, the area that kind of goes saggy next. And Thanksgiving's coming up. I don't want a turkey neck. So here I go. I'm going to put the phone down. This is not to be washed off. You're actually supposed to let this stuff absorb in. It's good stuff. It's coconut water and stuff. Hold on. It's not hurting. It's just, it's now tight. It's clinging. It's like something out of a Mission Impossible where they peel off the face and... I know, I'm acting like a little kid. Well, before I rub it all in, what do you think so far? it definitely feels tighter and hydrated. I'll tell you that right now. It was like hydrated from the moment I put the mask on. So, again, just massaging in upward, outward circular motions as I've taught my customers. I don't know how many times. We never pull down on our face because why? We don't want wrinkles. So here I am making weird faces in the camera, but I have heard on good authority that this is da bomb. Maybe I shouldn't use that phrase considering it's Korean technology. Wah wah. Ooh, yeah, you can get some goo out of that pack. Need one of those squeezy things like with toothpaste. Oh, wow, wow. Like, I got like a whole several tablespoons. How do I do this without being gross? Several tablespoons of more goo. So I'm going to probably cut the video and massage this in and take one more still shot. But it's pretty interesting. And I'm sure after several treatments I would really feel I see a difference. I would recommend this for someone with drier skin, someone who's already using our Timewise Repair line or our normal dry Timewise. But honestly, give it a try. It sounds like fun. Do a little spa day, right? So I'll talk with you guys later.